guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to talk about another video, but this is about Sunara. Kasi honestly, hindi pa nga sila umaabot ng 1 year, pero ang dami na nilang ganap. So since their debut, nakita na natin sila with brands like Pure Gold and Fino, and ngayon may bago na naman which is Bonchon and Time Zone. Like, teka lang, another endorsement na naman. Sobrang daming blessing na nangyayari sa Sunara ngayon, and I'm so happy for that. And what I find really interesting is yung variety ng brands na kumukuha sa kanila, from grocery and lifestyle hanggang food and entertainment. Parang ang dami nilang kayang pasukin na market. And I think that's a good sign for Sunara. Ibig sabihin, nakikita ng brands yung potential nila and yung ability nila makakonect sa younger audience and of course sa growing fandom nila. Kasi let's be honest, hindi madaling makakuha ng ganitong klaseng partnerships, especially kung wala ka pang 1 year sa industry. So seeing Sunara slowly build their names through these collaborations is definitely something worth celebrating. Ang pinaka-curious ako ngayon is sino ang next. Kasi kung ganito na karami ang endorsements nila bago pa sila mag 1 year, what more kapag established na sila? Mas marami ng songs, performances, and mas lumaki pa ang fandom. Honestly, feeling ko simula pa lang ito for Sunara. Pero kayo guys, ano sa tingin nyo ang next brand na makikipag-partner sa Sunara? And sa lahat ng endorsement nila so far, alin ang pinaka-exciting para sa inyo? Comment down below because I want to hear your guesses. And that's it for today's Sunara Spiel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more Sunara's updates and fangirl moments. See you on the next one. Bye guys!